Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to uninstall Microsoft Office from Windows 10 and Windows 11. Starting from your desktop, go ahead and do a search. If you don't have the search icon displayed, just use the keyboard shortcut, which is Windows key and S. And then you're going to do a search for Control Panel. And you should find the Control Panel app to be the best match. Go ahead and click into that. Then you'll get to the Control Panel screen. If yours looks different than mine, just change this View By setting to Small Icons. And then you want to find the programs and features on this list. Then you can click on that. And this will display a list of all of the programs that are installed on your computer. By default, it'll be in alphabetical order. If it's not in alphabetical order, just go ahead and click on this Name tab until you find it to be in alphabetical order. And then you want to scroll down until you find M for Microsoft Office. And then just find the version of Microsoft Office that you want to install. I currently have a 365 version and an old 2010 version. So just go ahead and choose the version that you want to uninstall. And then you can right click on the version that you want to uninstall and then click on Uninstall. You'll see this prompt that asks if you're ready to uninstall. So if you're ready, just go ahead and click on Uninstall. And that'll start the uninstallation process of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is done uninstalling and I can just go ahead and click on Close. And now that version of Microsoft Office is completely uninstalled from my system. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video. See you in the next one.